classes, the parents class, the child class, and also the main class. So now I'm going to go through the exercise, what you have to do. So once you're done with exercise, you can do the submission, and probably around tomorrow or tonight, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give you the solution so that you can refer for the preparation for your hot and for your final exam. So this is the lab. Okay. So in this lab, you have to create 5 classes. Okay. In this lab, you have to create 5 classes. Okay. One class is the main class. One class is parents class, and 3 child class. Okay. So let's go to the first question. Okay, the first question here says, create a superclass called car. Create a superclass called car. Like we learned before, superclass is the parents, right? So the car class has the following field methods. Okay, it must have integer speed, the regular price, color, and then get sale price. And then you have to create the child class. Okay, there will be 3 child class for this exercise. The first one is truck. Okay, truck. So create a subclass of car class and name it as truck. Okay, and then the truck class has the following fields and methods. Okay, such as the methods that you have to include in your truck class is integer weight and then double get sale price. Okay, for this method, for the get sale price, for the specific for truck class, you have to include a condition. Okay, so the condition here is if weight greater than 2000, it's 10% discount. Otherwise, 20% discount. So this is the condition for the sale price for truck. Okay, and then you have to create the second subclass, which is second child class. Okay, it must be named as Ford. Okay, create a subclass of car class and name it as Ford. And then the fourth class has the following fields and methods, such as integer year, what is the manufacturer discount, and double get sale price. Okay, and then the condition for sale price for Ford is from sale price computed from the car class and then subtract the manufacturer discount. Okay, you have to include this condition for Ford class. And then after that, you have to create another subclass, which is the last subclass. Okay, and then the last subclass is sedan. Okay, create a subclass of car class and name it as sedan. And then the sedan class has the following fields and method. Okay, it must have the integer length and double get sale price. And then the condition for sedan car class, if length is greater than 20 feet, 5% discount. Otherwise, only 10%. Otherwise, 10% discount. Okay. And then this is the main class. Okay. The main class you should name is as My Auto Shop. My Auto Shop. Okay, this is gonna be your main class. Okay, your main class contains the main method. Okay, the main method in your main class should follow the uh, stated operation here. Okay, so what you have to do in your main class is stated here, such as you have to create an instance of Sedan class and initialize all the fields with appropriate values. Okay, appropriate values here, that means whatever value that you think appropriate for the price of a car. Okay, use super method in the constructor for initializing the field of the superclass. Okay, like we learned in the lecture on Friday, right? So how to use the superclass, how to use the super method? You just write super dot, and then you can get the value from the parents class, right? And then create two instance of the Ford class. Okay, you have to create two instance, so you can write Ford 1 and Ford 2, and initialize all fields with appropriate values. Okay, and then use super method in the constructor for initializing the field of the superclass. And then the third one is create an instance of car class and initialize all the fields with appropriate values and display the sale prices of all instances. Okay, so that is the assignment. That is the exercise for today. Okay, the objective of this exercise, I want you to understand the concept of inheritance, the concept of parents class, and the child class from what we have learned in our lecture. Okay, you can go ahead and then start with the exercise. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. By tomorrow, I will upload the solution so that you can study on your own and then do the comparison with your own program. Okay, so go to Kalam, download Lab 5, and you can start with the exercise. And then I have shared the submission link in the chat room. Okay, once you're done, you can submit using this link. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer. If you haven't watched or if you didn't attend the lecture on Friday, go ahead and watch it on YouTube. You will have the idea what I'm talking about the exercise this morning. Okay.